Want to know the top Etsy trends for 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial, especially when it comes to your Etsy shop. And one trend you can't afford to ignore is the rising popularity of sustainable and eco-friendly products. As environmental consciousness grows, so does the demand for products that are kind to our planet. This shift is making waves in the Etsy marketplace. And that's our fifth most popular trend. But hang in there, we're just getting started. Moving on to number 4 on our list, personalized items. There's a growing hunger for unique, one-of-a-kind products. Buyers are loving the fact that they can add a personal touch to their purchases. Think custom jewelry, where buyers can choose their own gemstones or engravings. Or consider personalized home decor, where shoppers can decide on colors, patterns, or even add their own names. The demand for these personalized items is on the rise. So, if you're thinking of selling on Etsy, customization could be your key to success. Next up at number 3 we have vintage-inspired items. There's something undeniably charming about the past that's making a big splash in the present. More and more we're seeing a surge in the demand for items that bring a touch of nostalgia, a hint of yesteryears. Whether it's retro-style clothing or mid-century furniture, these vintage-inspired pieces are capturing hearts and carts alike. They're a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern-day functionality. Now isn't that a trend to watch out for? Getting closer to the top, at number 2, we have digital products. There's an undeniable surge in popularity for items like printable wall arts, digital planners, and more. Why, you might ask? It's all about convenience. In today's fast-paced world, instant gratification is king. And what's more instant than a digital download? No shipping, no waiting. Just click, download, and enjoy. Digital products are truly revolutionizing the Etsy marketplace. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. The top Etsy trend for 2024 is DIY kits. Without a doubt, these kits have taken the market by storm, demonstrating a clear surge in popularity. They're a delightful blend of creativity and convenience, offering a unique, hands-on experience for those who love to craft. Whether it's a macrame wall-hanging kit or a build-your-own miniature greenhouse, DIY kits are the perfect solution for craft enthusiasts and novices alike. They provide all the materials, tools, and instructions needed to create something beautiful from scratch. It's no wonder these kits are flying off the virtual shelves. From home decor to personal accessories, DIY kits cater to a wide range of interests and skill levels, making them an excellent choice for sellers looking to tap into the latest Etsy trend. And there you have it, the top Etsy trends for 2024. Remember, trends come and go, but your creativity is what truly makes you stand out. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, post us a comment below, and subscribe to the channel to make some serious cash. Happy money making.